The REDTIGER T700 mirror dashcam offers exceptional video quality with its ultra-high-definition 4000 resolution front camera and full high-definition rear camera, capturing critical details like road signs and license plates. Thanks to its advanced night vision capabilities, the camera ensures clear imaging even in low-light conditions by utilizing a large aperture and professional lens technology. With its 11-inch touchscreen, the device provides a broader view compared to traditional mirrors, and features such as smart reverse parking assistance make maneuvering easier. The integrated GPS module records location, speed, and direction, adding an additional layer of reliability in capturing driving data and providing evidence in case of incidents. Features like loop recording and a built-in G sensor enhance security by automatically saving footage during sudden impacts, while the parking monitor acts as a surveillance system when the vehicle is off. This mirror dashcam is designed with versatility in mind, allowing easy installation even on larger vehicles like pickup trucks and recreational vehicles by supporting a 180-degree flip of the rear camera.